Hello, everyone. Welcome to today, brand new day on Thursday. Yes, it's today, Thursday, August the 19th, 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Uh, but in this daily newspaper, don't worry, we have today 9 extra Sudokus. So, a lot of Sudokus to solve for today. And the first one I will do is this regular Sudoku, Sudoku Medium. A number, it will be number 3, 2, 6, 4, I believe. Yes. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. I believe there are 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. Alright. Then. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 5. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. 3. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this third row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 3. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. Alright. Then. How about the 9 in this column? The 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only three places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Alright. Now I can continue with the 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column. 5 in that column. So the column between, the only three places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. Alright. Now we have two numbers left in this row. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and a 3. Then 2 numbers left in the second column. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers are missing in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. One box left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And a 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first column. 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 6. Okay. These 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. In this row, 1, 2, 6, we have 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 6. So those 2 missing numbers are the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in the second row, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. No, we have a 5 here. The 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Alright, so we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between, only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between, only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing, 1 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing, the 2 is missing. Yes. 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. And now, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, and look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6, 2 and 6, 2 and 6, and look, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. Alright. Then we have a 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the last 2 numbers of this big square, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow. I'm pleased with the time because I have a time limit with 15 to 20 minutes, and I solved this in 40 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku mediums, for the heavy, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus I have in my playlist of in my channel. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again later on with other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.